Have you guys ever seen 10,000 pounds on a bed of a truck before? 10,000 pounds right there in rock. That one weighs 5,804 pounds. That one weighs 4,214 pounds. Yep, this badass truck can haul your truck off on the bed of it. Come on now, you guys thought that was it? I had 14,000 more pounds with that fucking heavy motherfucker that's bad as fuck. Plus 10. That's 24,000 pounds on the bed of that motherfucker. 24,000 fucking pounds. But yeah, an F350 and F450 quiver whenever you put 2 tons on them. I'll haul your F450 off with this bitch. Pick it up with that. Now let's combine the weight of everything. The ramps, the truck, the rock. Each pallet of rock is 2 tons. The other one is 2.5 tons. So combine that, 12,000 pound truck. We're right at 36,000 fucking pounds gross vehicle with everything. I don't even think your F650 could do that bullshit.